I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials so nothing blocks your flow. Update iPad OS and install Keynote, and gather images or video you'll use. Once done, open Keynote and tap the plus button to create a new presentation. Pick a theme that matches your tone, because layout influences pacing. Make sure to set slide size and document settings if you need 16, 9, or custom dimensions, and save to iCloud so your work syncs automatically as you go. Now build your slides methodically. Use the slide navigator to add title, photo, or blank slides so structure is clear. Then insert media by tapping plus and choosing photo, or use split view to drag files from files or photos. This speeds placement. Once on the canvas, tap an object to resize, mask, or use arrange to layer elements. Add build-in and build-out animations for flow. Make sure to preview often to check timing and visual balance. Finish by polishing transitions and rehearsing timing. Go to play and use rehearse to practice pacing and adjust builds for clarity. Once satisfied, export via share right arrow export and pick PDF, PPTX, or movie. Select resolution and include presenter notes when needed. When presenting, use AirPlay or Apple TV if remote display is required. If something goes wrong, like missing audio or fonts, restart Keynote first. If that fails, reinstall fonts or re-import the media to resolve corrupted items quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.